we'll probably get stopped out here. We'll probably get stopped out here, to be fair. We're literally in 1 pip profit. It can push down 1 pip. Okay, so we're currently in a trade on GBPUSD, and I've been in this trade for about 15-20 minutes ish, but I was like, you know what, we got time to get the camera out, so I thought, yeah, live trading video, let's go, because you guys love these videos so much. There's one thing about this setup, it's quite a big stop loss. So my stop losses, because I'm a scalper, they usually average between maybe 4 to like 6 pips, maybe sometimes 7 pips, but really they're quite small. That means that my risk reward can be quite high because I can just target higher pips when I take profit, right? This stop loss is about 10 pips, so this might be a losing trade because I usually have it under here, under this candle. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to put it right here, and the reason why is because if it goes below here, that means that it's broken 1, 2, 3 candles. So that could be a sign from the market that this trade is not going to run in my direction, and this is about 6 pips. So I'm going to put it there. I'm not going to take the full 10 pip loss, or I think it was like 10-11 pip loss, but it does mean that I'm still targeting a 1 to 2. So if we do win this trade, it would be 20 pip profit, which is quite a lot of pips to profit. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully this does win. I'm moving my stop loss to break even at 1 to 1, and yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. Good spreads, you know, who knows where it takes us. Okay, so we're basically back at entry now. We're only down about 25 pound, which is really not that deep. Like I said, I think stop loss is about maybe like £100. So where I've put my stop loss, it's about £100. Like I said, I'm not physically putting on in there. I have a mental stop loss because I'm literally sat at the market, so I know I'm going to get out. Obviously, I know a lot of traders can't have mental stop losses because even if it does get to where they say they're going to get out, they still don't get out. They're like, okay, maybe it's going to go up from here. Maybe I should hold it a bit longer. But no, I'm disciplined. If it goes to the point I say I'm going to get out, I'm going to get out. I want it to break them highs, and we also have, okay, so it might break these, no, not these. I want it to break these highs up here. That will give me confidence that the trade is going to go in my direction. And we do have a fair value gap right here, so this could be a zone that it potentially rejects from. So we're going to see how it reacts when it gets to that point. But as long as we start breaking these highs and we're creating market structure, or we're pushing up, we could push all the way up if we're creating market structure and not breaking lows again. Because if we break down here, I don't know, that might be a sign that maybe the market is going into a bearish trend. Okay, so up £92 at the moment. We are pushing through them highs. That's all I want, to just break them highs, and then I'll be a lot more confident to hold this trade. Okay, so we're up about £215 at the moment. I have moved my stop loss to break even because we're at 1 to 1. So now this is where it gets to knowing your pair, knowing what pair you're trading. This is GU. This is my favorite pair at the moment. I've got 3 options. I can take profit at 1 to 1, secure £220 profit in not that long. I think I've been in this trade, I don't even know how long I've been in this trade, but I could secure profits at 1 to 1. I can hold to these liquidity areas up here if it makes it up there, if it's going to make it past the supply zone, or I can hold for 1 to 2 at 20 pips. This is where you have to understand your pair. What am I going to do? I'm going to hold for 1 to 2 at 20 pips. Does GU often run for 20 pips? No. Do I think this trade is going to run for 20 pips? Yes. I have set confluences in place and set confirmations that I've seen, which makes me believe that this trade is going to run for 1 to 2. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, how it's going to react to this supply zone. You see how he said this? We have this supply right here. It even has a breaker structure, a mini breaker structure, and has a fair value cap. This is a valid supply. It absolutely blew the zone. Why? Because look how bullish we are. It's not going to. Actually, it could react, to be fair. I'm not saying never. It actually could react. I've seen setups like this where you could be in a demand setup and then it hits the supply and it takes you out. But I'm confident this time that the demand is stronger. That's why I'm still holding through and I didn't take out a 1-to-1. Okay, so price seems to be heading back down now, I can't lie. It was up about 250 or something like that. It was up about 13, 12 pips. It seems to be heading back down. It could stop us out of break even, to be honest, which, can't complain because our take profit is quite big. I think we'll just start creating natural structure. So you see, like here, down, 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 up. It's just natural structure. The market can't just go up the whole time. It can't just go down the whole time. There's buyers and sellers in the market. It has to create natural structure. Pushing down heavy, we're at the demand zone, which I was talking about before. This is another setup that I could take. Ooh, we probably get stopped out here. We'll probably get stopped out here, to be fair. We're literally in one pip profit. It can push down 1 pip. We will probably get stopped out here, to be fair. But it's fine. Obviously, like I said, it is a bummer to be in a trade for so long. I was in a trade for like more than an hour, I think. So it is a bummer. But it's absolutely fine. Like, the market's going to do what the market does. We can still make profit here as well. We really don't know. Okay, so it's about 40 minutes later. I think, how long was I gone for? I don't even know. It's about 40 minutes later. It looks like we pushed up. We went down a little bit, but we did break these liquidity areas up here. So if we can get, I think our take profit is up around about here, or something, maybe a bit higher. We're really not that far. Really not that far from take profit. I do think it's gonna hit take profit now. I think it's got a higher chance of hitting take profit than it does going back down to break even. So if we hit take profit, then that'll be a nice win. I think like £400, because we're about £100 away now. £100 away from take profit. If we can break these highs, I think we'll hit take profit. If we go down to like here or here, I think the trade's done. Like we say, we push down and we're going up, then we push down and we go up, then we push down. I think we're done. Or if we shoot all the way down and we go down to like here. But if we can break these highs and continue the trend, then I'm pretty sure that's a winner. I'm losing track of time. I've been in this trade for so long. Hopefully I'm still recording. Imagine the camera turned off. Oh god. Oh. Okay. I'm closing on my phone. That's fire. Wait, where's MT4? MT5. Closed. Closed. That's fire. What was that? Oh my days. £260. Wait, let me check. £270 profit. I was in that trade for like 2.5 hours. Oh my days. I think that's the most profit I've made on a single trade so far. I feel tired though. This might not even be a good reaction. on to the next trade, I guess. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe. Instagram is on the screen. Follow me over there. DM me. I'm also posting my trades daily. So if you want to see that, then you know where to go.